cast with the bull shad. Let's see what we can do. When's the last time you've been in a little John boat like this?
Oh well. A couple years.
Get you back to your roots, man.
Hey Dad, fish I won a lot. I used to.
That joker looks good, don't it? Whoa. There he is. Ain't big. I say, I guess they all like the same. That's about the average size for a fish here. There you go. First bull shad fish. You know.
That's a smaller bull shad than what I was expecting. That's a good size.
Yeah. That's what he said. He said you can catch them anywhere from pound to pound up. What you can do is get it. Caught a lot of big fish off that stump too.
Take off.
Yeah, I got him. Like I said, there's nothing to write home about. Huh?
The darkest back.
Yeah. Skinny fish too.
Caught 4.
Bunch of times probably. Oh.
That's a boat.
No, he had it and he was swimming straight toward me. And I finally realized, hey, this ain't right. Something ain't running right. All right, get him.
Pick it up and fish on there. That'll be the biggest one of the day.
Doubles. On.
Flash me in the live well, I never catch it. He's legally swimming.
Here you go.
Who's the bigger?
I think yours got me by about 2 inches. Story of my life.
Very big.
Come on out for it. You see, wasn't that big? A little better fish. Compared to...
Might be more than one of them.
They're a pound and a halfer, or close to it. Pop. There you go. Sweet. Doubled up. There you go.
About the size of that one I saw flopping around on the bank.
Much better than that one. Shoot, yeah.
Oh, down here in the live well.
I couldn't even set into mine. I think I was scared it was going to hit you or something. Let's see, let's go. Back in there. I'll see some treatment.
Yeah, so far. Cardinals haven't played much. I had the coronavirus.
Oh.
They've been playing double headers every game they come back. On the road, I took my laptop and took it up to the hotel TV. Down on it?
Yep. Oh. What? Probably. I'm 23. Going.
It's definitely older than you.
I'm 23 going on 24.
One Dad had growing up, I remember.
Man, I don't know how that knot's holding. I don't know. You understand? Wait, that's a giant, son. Ooh. Giants only today, son. I think I snagged him. You want to take my picture with him? Yeah. Got him. Ain't the biggest, but he'll break a spell that we ain't caught a fish in a minute. Till him. I thought I was on a limb or a lily pad. Uh-oh. Maybe I found the juice. About found my hand. Spicy little dude.
Oh, he missed it.
Oh my goodness. Dude.
I always miss it when it's like that.
Ouch.
About that size.
Get him fired up. Alright, last cast. I hit something, or had something hit me. You got something on about the last cast, so. Giants only.
Yeah, we went in though.
There you go. Ain't even got to throw no more. You ever done that? That's it. I'm done. You go throw and then throw in a tree and be like, I should have quit.